Okay, for example 6, again we're going to multiply two complex numbers together that are in complex or in a trig form. So again, I wrote down the formula to start with right here. So start with R1 times R2, so 2 times 8 times the cosine of 2 pi over 3 plus 2 pi over 3, 11 pi over 6, because that's theta 2, plus I sine of 2 pi over 3 plus 11 pi over 6. Okay, so now you got to add 2/3 pi plus 11 pi over 6. So here to the side, I'm going to do that and say I have 2/3 plus 11 over 6. Common denominator is 6, so 4 over 6 plus 11 over 6 is 15 over 6. And so what I know is going all around the circle once would be 12 over 6, and so it leaves me 3/6 left, which is 1/2. So there's 15 over 6 pi, which is the same as pi over 2. And so this becomes 16 times the cosine of pi over 2 plus I sine pi over 2. And again, this is the trig form of the answer. For standard form, cosine of pi over 2 was the x, so it would be 16 times 0, plus the sine of pi over 2 is 1, so plus 1 times I. 16 times 0 is still 0. 16 times 1 times I is 16i. And so the final answer in standard form is 16i. So if the book wants trig form, this would be your answer. Standard form, 16i. Go ahead and try number 67. Go ahead and press pause and then come back to it. This says 5 pi over 3, just in case you were wondering. Okay, now that we're back, we know we have to do 2/3 times 9, which is 6, and then times the cosine of, I have to take 4 pi over 3 plus 5 pi over 3, which is 9 pi over 3, which simplifies to 3 pi. Well, going around the circle once is 2 pi, come back around to pi is 3 pi, and so this is the same thing as pi. So 6 times the cosine of pi plus I times the sine of pi, and I have my answer in trig form.